Well, our challenge today is to repurpose some really old rusty hinges. These hinges have been through our fireplace, through a blazing, burning fire when we burnt the wood they were attached to, which was all scrap wood. And we're going to repurpose them, use them for our shower doors. And what I was thinking is to put them on the outside like that, so we can actually see them and enjoy them a little bit, instead of having them inside where you don't even know they're there.
Yes, please. I sat and filed down each and every single one of them, so yes, I would really appreciate it. We can see them. So these are the shower doors. Flexi plastic mirror stuff. And on the other side, ta-da, it's a photograph that we took while we were on holiday in the Dominican Republic. So we have the Caribbean with us wherever we are. How cool is that? Cool. And now we're going to fit the hinges.
Look at that. Are you serious?
Do we have another one?
No, of course not. There, we'll do it that way.
No, my word. Has it got a stop on it?
That's what the bolt is, the nut is for.
Okay. Alright.
There you go.
Cool.
It's rustic,
Cool.
but it works.
Matches the bus.
Everything in this bus is rustic. Rusted or rustic?
Oh, we're going with rustic, right?
Okay.
How organised those screws are. Love it. Do you want me to hold this side? Yeah.
We actually need some wedges or something.
Yeah.
So we lift it.
Yeah. And then screw it.
And get it even in the opening.
Okay.
So there's the same gap.
Yeah. So we're doing the cardboard for...
It's all very high tech here.
Wow. I love this. That is so cool. Isn't it nice? Wow. So you don't need a bolt underneath? No.
Yes, we don't have any.
Alright.
It's always a simple operation for everything. Distract the high help.
And I'm so excited!
It looks pretty cute.
Wow, look at that, it's so cool! Now that is a beach cabana. Wow. That is wicked, man. And it opens up all the way.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, that's exactly what you wanted. How cool is that? Dude, we got doors! We got doors! We
Wow.
got doors! Ah, that is so cool. Yeah, so we just need to put something up here. I think maybe just a piece of wood or a magnet or something here.
Yeah.
That'll work.
You don't have to sit earlier.
Look! Oh, this is so cool! Bye! It's not too dark in here, which is quite cool. The turbo fan helps a lot, as does this little light. So that's the toilet. This is the shower. Toilet. Shower. Yippee, yippee. Yes, okay. You can let me out.
I'll leave you alone for a minute. Cool, that looks pretty good to me.
Yeah. And from the outside? Do you want to go in and have a play?
No.
No, really. You must. It's fun.
What's going on here? Oh, right.
What?
Something was crinkling.
Yes? What is it?
Somebody didn't cut this off.
What is it?
It's the foil.
Oh, yeah, no. Oh, don't look at me.
It's your fault.
You did this. Yeah, it's still got the protective coat on it. Oh, this is so exciting. Wow, man. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it.
Some rusty old hinges.
Yes.